say they love her, they will tell you they love her. Oh yeah, I saw them looking like a royal tribe, culture garments and long stem steamers. And I praise the king within that loyal vibe. So no words are not believers. She must be the queen bee in a loyal hive. None want to leave her. Excitement in her wake, the entourage arrive. Excitement like a fever. Put some moderation in your eyes, controlling your demeanor. I know it's hard not to glance again among militant soldiers when a queen is already taken. The childhood remnants from schoolyard attendance, they still hug and greet her. Greet her, hug and greet her. I saw them looking like a royal tribe, culture garments and long stem steamers. And I praise the king within that loyal vibes. No words and not believers. She must be the queen bee in a loyal hive. None want to leave her. Excitement in her wake, the hunter at the river. Excitement like a fever. Them I said the finest glamour girl we came to consciousness. Highly Selassie, I teach her. In the first place, she did never like rowdy vagabond presser. From how you approach her, you will never hear her divinity I laugh out when blue star can lead now. A door of decency where you come in. I go on like it's a drug where you have been for. Wearing emotion on your sleeve, burdens your shoulder. If Jah give you such a gift, just hold her. Someone is pleased and someone is displeased. She had a goal for to reach to Israel and to Ethiopia. Ties of diplomatic in her folder. The wrath of rulership the world well over. Praise the emperor Jah, she love Rasta. She had the goal for to reach to Israel and to Ethiopia. I saw them looking like a royal tribe, culture garments, long stem steamer. I praise the king within that royal vibes. No words and not believers. She must be the queen bee in a loyal life. None want to leave her. Excitement in her wake, the hunter round arrival. Excitement like a fever. She must be the queen bee in a royal life. None want to leave her. Excitement in her wake, the entourage arrive. Excitement like a fever. Who's the rejecter of the peace treader? Who is the reductor of the truth reader? Spiral with speed have proceeded to distract and deliberately misleaded. Trusted when discovery opened, when public opinion exploded. Conception were wicked and unknown. Surely them abstract unjust is defeated, yeah. Only take root in a feed them own head. Nothing a borrow, nothing a lend. Pick up your in and them mates every pop culture trend. Pan masculinity open season. Yeah. Sit with the elders and reason, daughters of the people, and plead with them. Some follow the courses of the heathen, some honor the host of the heaven. Yeah. When the waters of flood recede, man just indulge it in a wickedness again. Every imagination continually evil. Yeah. Even when righteousness is revealed, well, yeah. Praise God in your tabernacle, receive Him. Try to do nothing with which He is pleased. Yeah. With rations and degrees of allegiance. Yeah. Profit and loss is the reason. It's the reason. Profit and loss is the reason. Yeah. Who is the rejecter of the peace thread? Who is the redactor of the truth thread? Spiral with speed have proceeded to distract and deliberately mislead. Yeah. Frosted when discovery open, when public opinion exploded, conception were wicked and unknown. Surely them abstract is defeated. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh yes. Each one for themselves dining cuisine. Less preparation, resources condemn. Who along steady leak, no plan and leading. As unity, how the victory went up. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. When the waters of flood receded, man just indulged in a wickedness again. Every imagination continually evil. Yeah. Even when righteousness is well revealed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.